Gonna practice for the kids, gonna do your best. See the older than me now, cause I just made a word. You looking up for the child, download her. Then I'm acting for the phone, and the lap flow. It's on some beat, I ain't just one of those.
This is One Extra BBC introducing, celebrating International Women's Day.
I wanna love her, not another brother. So what's the place down? If I'm not stick around for me, and only me. I ain't gonna be your mother. If that's what you're about, then you can't tell me out. I need to see some energy. You gotta love me the right way, baby. If you wanna stay, you better make up your mind. Cause I'm losing just the time, trying to rewind. And we're between the lines. You say you want me, never leave me, no. The game you're playing, I already know. Boy, you're on the guy, so make up your mind. You do a lot of talking, know it's kinda boring. Say what you're gonna do, but can you follow through for me, and only me? You only get one time, so put me first in line. Then I'm gone in a second, you learn a dangerous lesson. You gotta love me the right way, baby. If you wanna stay, you better make up your mind. Cause I'm losing just the time, trying to rewind. And we're between the lines. You say you want me, never leave me, no. The game you're playing, I already know. Boy, I'm the guy, so make up your mind. Make up your mind. You gotta love me the right way, baby. If you wanna stay, you better make up your mind. Cause I'm losing just the time, trying to rewind. And we're between the lines. You better make up your mind. Cause I'm losing just the time, trying to rewind. And we're between the lines. Say you want me, never leave me, no. The game you're playing, I already know. Boy, you're on the guy, so make up your mind.
Khaleesi's Make Up Your Mind. Two sisters killing the game right now. Just before that we had Tay with Disturbance. And now, speaking of sisters, my BBC presenter sister Jasmine Tacker on BBC Introducing on the Asian Network took some of the ladies she's been supporting and made a veil to a live session. And one of them artists we actually support on this show right here as well, Armani Leah at Made a Veil. This is her mashup of Mutt by Leon Thomas. Let's get it.
That's how you feel, supposed to come here, kiss. Oh,